If you want to start growing your own herbs and vegetables indoors, then you should consider buying an indoor smart garden kit. These kits allow you to grow plants indoors without having to worry about garden soil, pests, or weather conditions. These kits are perfect for beginners who want to learn how to grow their own food. They are also ideal for those who live in apartments or condos where gardening space is limited.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best smart indoor garden. So let's get started. Number 5. AeroGarden Farm 24 Basic. The Farm family of AeroGarden kits are popular for families who love to cook and don't want to always run out to the grocery store. There are 2 sides of the garden with 12 spaces in each side. With a total space for 24 seed pods, you can grow all kinds of fruits and vegetables. The AeroGarden Farm kits have 2 adjustable LED lights that are 60W and are easily raised and lowered with a button. They've put together a customized spectrum of blue, red, and white lights for optimized growth. The lights also have a new sunrise/sunset auto light dimming feature that will mimic day and night. There's also vacation mode if you're going away for longer periods of time. The Farm line of gardens has a number of smart features controlled through the AeroGarden app or the touchscreen control panel to help you with growing plants. It's Wi-Fi enabled, so you're able to use it with Amazon Alexa as well. Number 4. AeroGarden Harvest Elite Hydroponic Garden. AeroGarden Harvest Gardens are hydroponic indoor garden kits designed specifically for indoor gardening. This indoor garden kit has space for 6 seed pods for herbs, vegetables, and other plants you want to grow. This model comes with a gourmet herb seed kit that includes Genovese basil, curly parsley, dill, thyme, Thai basil, and mint. They're nurtured by all-natural, chemical-free Miracle-Gro plant food. AeroGarden is one of the top brands of indoor hydroponic systems. Their products are known for quality and durability. The compact size allows you to put it on your kitchen countertop for the plant-to-plant freshness that many home chefs love. Number 3. Click and Grow Smart Garden 3. The Click and Grow Smart Garden is one of the best indoor garden brands. The Smart Garden 3 is the perfect starter garden for beginners with its space for 3 plant pods. Click and Grow created smart soil technology that's inspired by NASA research. The seed plant pods get all their vitamins and minerals from the plants. The smart soil also helps the plants get the right mix of oxygen and water, along with the perfect pH level. The Smart Garden 3 also automatically waters and simulates sunshine if you want it to. It'll enable you to grow plants all year round. Getting an indoor garden kit from Click and Grow or AeroGarden won't steer you wrong. Number 2. Click and Grow Smart Garden 9. The Click and Grow Smart Garden 9 is a great indoor garden if you want to grow herbs and/or vegetables for 3 to 4 people. It has mostly the same features as the Smart Garden 3, except there are 9 spaces on its grow deck for plants. You can grow vegetables with the extra space. The benefits of the Smart Garden 9 include automatic lighting control, auto watering, LED lights, and more. If you're looking for a good indoor gardening kit, then this might be worth checking out. Number 1. OPCOM Farm Grow Wall. The OPCOM Grow Wall is a vertical growing wall made specifically for small gardens like apartments and condos. This allows you to grow healthy food without having to spend time tending to individual pots. The Grow Wall is a NFT hydroponic system that also uses a hydroponic ebb and flow system with a flood tray where the nutrient-rich water solution is. The water tank is 7.1 gallons, 27 liters, and uses water efficiently. It includes 75 growing pots, meaning you can grow 75 vegetables, herbs, and/or salad greens at once, all year round. That's made possible by having 5 tiers vertically for space savings. It's great if you live in a smaller home or apartment. Automatic and preset timers are available for the LED lights and water circulation. That was our list of the top 5 best smart indoor garden just for you.